Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on Cool Cat MSP, and today we're going to be creating a noob account and just seeing how well I can make and create noobs. By the way, this will be an account giveaway, so at the end I'll give away the password, and whoever wants the account can have the account. First thing first, the skin tone. So yeah, I was just testing out the color. Okay, so I normally have it in that color, and these eyes in that color. And I can't be biffed with this part, so I'm just gonna do whatever, because everything's gonna be changing anyway. Okay, so this is just gonna be called just gonna go Cool Cat. Oh, nope. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be called like Arrow Cool Cat Arrow. Okay, and the password will be lol 2 3. Well, I got this far, and I have not found Star Coins in a chat room yet, so let's just keep having a look. Oh, perfect. Spawned right where the Star Coins were. Okay, now I'm gonna buy some stuff, but first I've got to. I just gotta do it so I can get money and fame for it. It's cool being smart. I was gonna have a look at this here. Oh, yeah, I don't like it. Because I would have maybe gotten it on my main, but no, I don't even like it. I don't really like this thing, so I'm just gonna have a look at the top stuff. No, no, no. What was I thinking? No, no, no. Yeah, I'll just buy that stuff. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah. So, I'm giving away this account, and anyone who wants it, go ahead and take it. The password is low123.